A little over 2 years ago, I invested in my first cryptocurrency. I didn't really know what it was, but all my friends were investing in it. After time, the price went up and we made all this money. But it seemed like almost just as quickly, we lost it again. But we never really learned what caused all this. That's when we decided to found Sprouts Analytics. Sprouts Analytics is going to be the sports center of all cryptocurrencies. We're going to educate the consumers and investors on what these cryptocurrencies actually are and what's behind them. And then we're also going to give them the data to compare all the different cryptocurrencies for them to decide which is their favorite, what they want to invest in, and which one fits them the best. And lastly, we're creating an online forum for users to interact and collaborate, to speak to their peers about what they think is happening in the cryptocurrency revolution and what cryptocurrencies are going to be there in the future. We did some research and we found that 97% of all Millennials and Gen X are interested in learning more about cryptocurrencies. They experienced this big so-called cryptocurrency bubble, and they're left wanting to learn more about what these cryptocurrencies actually are. So what will Sprouts Analytics be? It'll be a one-stop shop for all cryptocurrency needs. Just like you can go on SportsCenter and find out everything you need to know about sports, such as scores and news, you can do the same thing as Sprouts with cryptocurrencies. You can find all new news sources and developments. You can find all your data analytics on what cryptocurrencies are going up, what's going on in the markets, and you also learn more about what these cryptocurrencies are, what's behind them, and what that is. Lastly, we're also implementing something unique, which are community buy ratings and price targets. There are not many professional research analysts out there giving buy ratings for cryptocurrencies, and therefore our users will be able to submit their opinions and what they think their ratings are and share that with the community. This is our advisory team. We have seasoned industry professionals from the cryptocurrency space to traditional investments to cryptocurrency startup advisors to hedge fund managers. And we believe that these advisors will allow us to be as successful as possible in the future.
One of the big overbearing questions when starting an entrepreneur venture is how are you going to fund your program? The three main revenue streams in order for us to sprout are paid advertisements, subscription fees, and partnerships with ETFs and hedge funds. Through the paid advertisements, we run banner ads for all users that have the basic program. And through the subscription fee, you will be able to remove these ads, as well as see these community buy-sell ratings and price targets. Through the partnerships with ETFs and hedge fund subscriptions, you'll be able to see the different dashboards for each portfolio of the ETFs and hedge funds. As shown, this is an aggressive portfolio which has 10 holdings. You'll be able to see the portfolio allocation for each different cryptocurrency within the portfolio, as well as the overall performance. If you click into each ETF, you'll be able to see a similar dashboard, which outlines the time frame of performance for this specific ETF, as well as an economic explorer, which provides the significance of each of the cryptocurrencies based on the market. You'll also be able to see a news highlight on the sides, which functions as our SportsCenter top 10, outlining the things that are going on daily in cryptocurrencies. At Sprouts Analytics, we expect to capture about 0.5% of all cryptocurrency users. The number of cryptocurrency users as of quarter 4 2018 was averaged about 32 million. Of these users, we look for our users to be about 50% free and 50% paid. This equates to around $4.8 million in revenue solely from subscriptions and not including partnerships and other advertisement costs.
So how are we going to compete in this cryptocurrency market? We are going to differentiate ourselves by providing the perfect crossover between education, analytics, and communication. Bloomberg, for example, one of our competitors, is for the more institutional investor and costs more than $20,000 a year to own a terminal and can be difficult to use. Masters of Crypto and CoinDesk are two very popular cryptocurrency blogs which allow open discussion on crypto markets. Sprouts Analytics, however, is the one-stop shop for these three platforms, which we believe will give us the competitive advantage over our one-platform competitors. To spread our business, we believe that we need $25,000. Half of this will go to technology, for creating a website, paying for data, and partnering with a web development consultant to keep the website up and running. 25% of this will go towards marketing for paid advertisements, marketing campaigns, and influencers to grow our reach on social media. And the remaining 25% will go towards overhead and salaries.
This is our team. My name's Stephen Catcherdell. I'm a finance IT major at Seton Hall.
My name is Nathaniel Boatswain. I am a double major in mathematical finance and IT and future Deloitte cyber risk advisory consultant.
And I am Elizabeth Wynn, and I am a junior with concentrations in marketing and information technology.
And here at Sprouts Analytics, we're showing you where to plant your seeds and helping them sprout. Thank you.
We're able to provide dashboards such as this, which outline the portfolios for each individual ETF, outlining the breakup of their portfolio and what holdings they have,